Millions of dollars in assets have been unaccounted for at the Ministry of Labor and Social Security due to poor procurement management practices over several years. The revelation was made at an Auditor General's report on internal audits conducted at the ministry.
It's a tale of poor record management and the lack of adherence to established procurement protocols and financial reporting guidelines. A December 2017 audit revealed that while $54 million was approved for the procurement of goods, services, and work to be done at the Ministry of Labor and Social Security, no evidence could be presented by the ministry to confirm that the sum was approved by the Procurement Committee. The audit also brings into question the ministry's administering of contracts. $50 million in payments was made to 5 suppliers of security, janitorial, and other services for April to December 2017, but no valid contract could be seen by the Auditor General. The report notes that the ministry was made aware of the need to address the poor oversight and management of contract issuance in previous reports for 2015 and 2016, but the ministry continued to breach procurement guidelines, with no evidence of relevant steps being taken to regularize the process. The report says for 2017, the ministry had a series of renovations to be done for office space and walkway construction, valued at $2.4 million. However, no other invoice was recorded for comparison. The Labor Ministry has since indicated to the Auditor General that it is working to improve the tendering process for security and janitorial services. It has also since established a specialist procurement unit, property management and maintenance units. Consultancies were also under the microscope. For 2012 to 2014, a consultant was paid $471,000 for services. Of that sum, $256,000 was recorded as professional fees. But there is suspicion surrounding the selection of the consultant. Not only was there no other consultant sought for the undisclosed services, but there was no term of reference or guideline for deliverables to be provided to the consultant. The only thing provided was a proposal given to the ministry by the said consultant. No contract was also presented to confirm if the contractor was retained beyond May 2013. However, payments were still made up to December 2014. The Auditor General also found discrepancies in the tracking of spending on other assets. Though not accurately maintained, the 2016 to 2018 records showed $7 million in spending for acquiring new goods. $3 million worth of computers purchased were not inventoried. Therefore, if they had gone missing, they could not be accounted for. Between 2016 to early 2020, $4 million was spent on split AC units for the ministry. However, the poor record management meant over 100 units could not be presented. As for systems deemed unserviceable and were reportedly destroyed, no evidence of this could be provided. Kelisha Williams, TVJ News.